video, but when you are mudding, this is how you clean this up. You see this here? Why do you want to sand, and make yourself all dusty and white? You just, look at that. Look at that. See that? Nice, smooth, and it's ready, done. See that? That's how you sand the wall down to get ready to paint. No one never reads the mud container, the joint compound. So you just wet the sponge, nice and smooth. You see right there? Ready. See, nice and smooth. And that's how you sand down mud.